Hi Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po ito 100% accurate for you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Gemini. Tingnan natin kung ano yung paparating na energies and messages for you, mga gabay at blessings for Gemini, please, from the universe. Energies, messages for Gemini. Parang disappointed, merong disappointment in the situation, no? And you are thinking, parang nag-iisip ka, kung ano yung mali, ano yung naging problema, okay? Parang kailangan ng improvement. Maybe this is a project, no? Gemini. Yeah, a business, a project, no? Siguro meron kayong na-accomplish na something, okay? And nagkaroon ng disappointment or merong rejection. And you are thinking, or nagkaroon ng problema. So, nag-iisip ka ng mga paraan at solusyon ngayon, no? Ano yung pwede mong gawin or i-improve. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you need, meron kayong communication na natanggap from someone, maybe a decision maker, a leader, a boss. Okay? And you are contemplating about this, no? The situation. Okay? Parang merong issues, no? And then you are hoping and praying na maging okay ang lahat or yung proyekto na to. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe this is a business, a project, or trabaho. Okay? You are dealing with someone. No? Maybe a boss, a decision maker, a leader, a manager. Okay? Okay. You are looking forward na meron kayong makomplete or looking forward ka na magkaroon ng success, no? Sa inyong project, no? Or kung anong achievement man to. Okay? You are looking forward for abundance and prosperity. Okay? You are waiting for some good news or you are waiting for a completion. Okay? And this is something na may matatanggap ka na isang papuri or support or magugustuhan yung trabaho nyo or yung proyekto ninyo or kung ano man yung ginawa ninyo. Okay, maybe this is a business. Okay? So, yeah, for some of you, merong growth or stability when it comes to finances. Okay? You are doing a lot of planning, kumbaga. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need support also. Okay? Or assistance from someone. Okay? Na makatulong sa inyo na mapadali yung trabaho. Yeah. Clear communication is needed in the situation, no? Sa trabaho man to or business. If you are self-employed, your business is doing well, no? Kailangan lang ng clear communication and clear thinking about the situation or about the project. Pero may magandang balita dito, Gemini. You are worried about something, about uncertainty, no? Okay, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are missing someone or worried ka with someone, no? Someone in the past, maybe a family member, okay? Or worried ka about sa bahay ninyo if you are working abroad. And then, maybe you are missing someone, no? In your family, okay? Or nag-aalala ka. Okay? Nag-aalala ka about someone or concerned ka about someone. Maybe a mother or lola or lolo, something like that. Okay? Or for some of you, someone younger. No? Pamangkin, anak. Okay? Yeah, parang merong problema, no, in the situation or sa family members for some of you. Or merong someone na nagbibigay ng problema sa inyo. Okay? Maybe a family member. Okay. Okay, maybe someone is going to send you a message, will communicate with you, or mag-take siya ng action towards you. And this is something na makapagbigay sa inyo ng fulfillment or contentment. Okay? Kung meron mang hindi fair na nangyari sa inyong sitwasyon, in your relationship, no? Or with a family member, okay? Merong apologies, no? Merong kaayusan in the situation. You feel that you have won. Okay? You feel that you are victorious. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo merong reconciliation, merong balance and harmony in the situation. Okay? And you feel good about this. Okay? Yeah. Okay, or someone from the past will invite you. Okay, merong invitation, no, for you to go home. Okay, if you are living abroad or working abroad, someone is expressing, no, yung kanilang nararamdaman. Maybe they will be inviting you to join and come with them. Okay, all right. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking about your future. Parang meron kayong gustong gawin, no? You need security and stability sa family mo or sa inyong finances, or if you have a business. For some of you, you are worried about self-employment or business, okay? Or trabaho man to. No? You are thinking about your options and your choices. You're thinking whether to stay or make your own path, no? Yung iba sa inyo, nire-review ninyo yung kondisyon, yung status ng employment ng business ninyo, or nire-review ninyo kung anong nangyayari sa inyong company, sa kumpanya, sa employer mo, sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo, and you are making choices. You feel that you're not confident enough, or nahihirapan ka na, nasistress ka na sa sitwasyon, sa trabaho mo, or business man to, something like that. Okay? But you're not giving up. Instead, also, nag-iisip ka din ng mga ibang paraan, no? Solusyon, you are reviewing. You are making a choice for some of you. Okay? Yeah, you want stability. Okay? Sa work mo or sa business mo to. Okay? That's for some of you. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are feeling drained. Okay? Or demanding ang inyong trabaho. Okay? You are stressed, may tension. Okay? But you are not giving up. But in your mind, meron kayong mga tinitingnan, mga options. Meron din kayong mga re-review. Okay? Yeah. You're stepping into your power. You are looking forward for your future, no? Planning for the future. Ano yung mga next step mong gagawin? Okay? Gemini. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you're obsessing over a career advancement, no? Obsessing about getting success, no? And victory in a partnership or business man to, collaboration. Okay? Yeah, parang may kailangan kayong baguhin sa sistema ninyo. You need, parang kailangan mo ng inspiration, kumbaga. You need to take action. Kailangan ng high performance, kumbaga. If you really want to achieve your goal. Okay? Meron kayong meron kayong objective, meron kayong target, meron kayong goal. You want achievement, you want success. So I think kailangan talaga dito is action, high performance, no? When it comes to collaboration and partnership, kailangan ng pag-uunawaan, no? Oneness and agreement, okay, over a situation. Pwedeng sa work to, career, projects man to, okay, business venture, no? So parang may kailangan i-end, no, na phase, no? At i-renew. May kailangan baguhin. Okay, start anew, something like that. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are assessing, you are balancing the situation. Okay? The strength and the weaknesses. The good and the bad. The right and the wrong, no? So you are in the middle. Okay? You are determined to succeed no matter what. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong travel na kailangan gawin. To meet someone, to collaborate, no? About sa work. Okay? Because you are obsessed about advancement. Okay? Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you are looking forward na magkaroon ng kaayusan sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung merong mga tao na may mga conflicts, may competition, may disagreement, arguments, fighting, okay? So, gusto mo magkaroon ng kaayusan, no? If you are an employer or a business owner and meron kang mga tao, no? Or meron kang mga kinakausap. So, kung meron mga gulo or conflicts, gusto mong ayusin yan. Okay? So, I think kailangan i-impose yung dedication sa work. Yeah, in order to achieve success, victory. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling because of work. Okay? Yeah, you are planning, no? Planning pa lang naman. Okay? Ito yung mga gagawin ko. Pupunta ako sa ganito, itinerary for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Because you will be meeting, maybe a group of friends or business partners or staff, employees, something like that. Okay, this is about work. No, they need dedication, motivation sa work. Okay, yeah. For some of you, your hard work will be rewarded. Merong achievement, something like that, na mangyayari. Okay. Yeah. Kung meron mang mga conflict, merong kaayusan. Kung meron mang mga gusot, yun yung aayusin mo. For some of you, meron kang aayusin. Okay? It seems na merong hindi fair na nangyayari in the situation. No? Maybe this is business sa work mo to or sa mga tauhan mo. Okay, associates or colleague. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, but these are the energies na pwede mong i-apply. Okay? Okay, travel, communication, about growth, expansion, change your life now. Okay? Yeah, magkakaroon ng kaayusan kung ano man to mga deceit, dishonesty, mga problema, difficulties na pinagdadaanan or nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. That will be changed. So, embrace the change. Yeah. Yes, may mga strategies, may mga kailangan kayong planuhin, na gagawin, para magkaroon ng kaayusan or improvement in your situation. Okay? Yeah, strategize, planning. Yeah, busy day, Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, multitasking, Madami kayong gagawin, asikasuhin. So you will be balancing your time, your attention, your money or resources, as well as your emotion. Okay? Gemini. Okay. For some of you, when it comes sa relationship to love life or whatsoever, no? So, you will be detaching yourself from negative attachment or unhealthy relationship or toxic relationship. May mga toxic na habits dito, no? Or pattern in the relationship. So, merong pagtatapos dito, no? Merong ending of that kind of that toxicity, kumbaga. Merong agreement, merong kaayusan. Kailangan talaga ng action. Someone should take an action to build, to strengthen a relationship. Okay? Yes, merong pag-aayos dito. Okay? So, you will be driven, no? Na para ayusin yung sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong travel dito. Okay? Maybe you and your partner will be traveling. Okay? Or business partner mo to, yung person ninyo. You'll be working together. Okay? For one goal or one target. Merong pagtutulungan. For Gemini, please. Forest, muddled, unclear thinking. So, I think kailangan ng clear thinking so that you will be able to express a clear communication, no? In order for you to have a good decision, no? Work man yan or business or finances, no? If you are self-employed. Ring, a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Yeah. So, merong collaboration na mangyayari when it comes to work. Okay? Or romantic relationship. Lobster, financial pinch, no? So, be aware of that. For some of you, merong problema, no? When it comes to your finances, may kailangan kayong ayusin. No? Because for some of you, you are uncertain about your finances or sa status ninyo sa employment or sa business. Chair empty, someone is living your life. Okay, that is for some of you. And we have the pig. Beware of greed. So, beware of greediness. Kumbaga. Okay? So, yun. Kailangan lang ng balance. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, beware of greed. Maybe someone is selfish or greedy, no? Okay, so beware of that. Kung sino man yan. Okay. Ay, wait. Ito. Gemini, one more. New home. Moving is a step in the right direction for you. Okay? Excuse me. So, merong moving na mangyayari. A new direction. Yeah. New home. New hope at the same time. Okay? So, merong kailangang change na gagawin dito. Alright? So, yun. So, these are the messages for you. Gemini, maraming salamat. All the best and see you on the next video. Bye!